So today I'm going to show you how to add a bank onto Coinbase. Now we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time so you can follow along. Now if by chance you don't have an account with Coinbase, I'll have a link for them in the show notes down below. It actually gets you $10 in Bitcoin entirely for free when you buy $100 in any kind of crypto. Now what we're going to do is have the app loaded up in real time, as you can see here. And what we actually want to do is click on the settings option on the bottom right hand side of the app. So right over here, personally, you're going to see for me, I already have some payment methods available. So we're going to click on add a payment method. Now it gives you a couple of different options, but we actually want to do the bank account option because it's the best and most recommended one. So if we click on here, it's going to take a few moments to just load up, but when it does, it's going to show Plaid. Plaid is a company that actually allows you to connect your bank instantaneously into your Coinbase. So it makes it really nice. You just click on continue, look for your bank that you already have, or you could type it in at the very top. And when you do that, it's going to have you log into your credentials. It might have a verification. And once it does, it'll go ahead and then add everything right over into your main account, which if we go all the way back, you'll see the payment options. Now with those payment options, now you can actually go ahead and start buying your first crypto on Coinbase, which I want you to click this video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.